Traditional methods for treating chronic pain such as medications and injections often fall short. This is where advanced technology like EMTT, also known as Electromagnetic Transduction Therapy, can help. EMTT uses high-energy magnetic pulses to heal the body's tissues in ways that conventional medicine simply cannot. Hi, my name is Dr. Jack Wong, holistic physiotherapist and owner of Next Level Physiotherapy located in Kingwood, Texas. Today I'm going to talk about the breakthrough technology of EMTT and how it's helping thousands of people get off pain medications, injections, and ultimately avoid surgery. As a healthcare provider, I've been taught that when physiotherapy, medications, or injections doesn't work, surgery is the only option. But after treating chronic pain patients for over a decade, I've discovered something profound. When we stimulate the body's natural healing response, the results are remarkable. According to the CDC, over 50 million Americans are currently suffering with chronic pain. Unfortunately, most of them are not aware of advanced technology like EMTT. So let's talk about EMTT and how it works. EMTT uses high-energy magnetic pulses that can reach up to 18 centimeters or about 7 inches deep. That means this machine can treat muscles, tendons, nerves, as well as bone. A healthy cell can absorb nutrients through these ion channels, and once it uses the nutrients, it expels waste through other ion channels. Think of ion channels of a cell like doorways. Unfortunately, when you have a cell in an inflamed area, these ion channels don't work and get stuck. So that means those cells cannot absorb nutrients and they can excrete waste. That's a huge problem. EMTT uses magnetic fields to restore normal cell function. So what that means for inflamed cells is that ion channels get unstuck so it can start absorbing nutrients once again. Once it uses nutrients, the cell can excrete the waste through the unstuck ion channels. The benefits of EMTT include increased blood flow, decreased pain, decreased inflammation, nerve healing, and most importantly, restarts your body's natural healing process. Let me tell you about one of our recent patients. His name is John. When John first came in, he had right knee pain with a meniscus tear, and he was diagnosed with knee osteoarthritis. John Ray had been through the medications, the injections, he tried physiotherapy. Unfortunately, none of that has worked for him, and his doctor told him that he needed total knee replacement. John didn't want to give up his independence or go through months of rehab, so we introduced him to EMTT. By the sixth session, John was able to walk without his cane and knee brace for the first time in 2 years. John didn't just get pain relief, he regained his independence so he can start walking and playing with his grandkids like he couldn't do for the last 2 years. And here's the best part, EMTT works fast. Each session is about 10 to 20 minutes in duration, so there's no downtime, no medications, and it's completely non-invasive. If you're currently suffering chronic pain and you have already tried the exercises, medications, or injections, and you're not getting results, it's time to give EMTT a chance. EMTT is not just about getting pain relief, it's about resetting your body's natural healing process so you can regain your independence and get back to all the activities that you love to do. To learn more about EMTT and find out if it's the right solution for your concerns, visit our website or book a consult.